How to add a credit card to the Binance application. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you wish to add a credit card to Binance app, here is how you can do it. First of all, head over to Play Store or App Store and search for Binance. If there is an update button, make sure to tap on it. If not installed, tap on the install button. Now that if the installation is completed for update, you can open the application and log in using your credentials. If account is not created, you can create one as well. Now next, to add a credit card to Binance app, tap on the Binance profile on the top left corner. After tapping on it, you can either go to your profile section by tapping on this button or click on the option of settings on the top right corner. Once that is done, scroll down a bit and you will see the payment section. Under this, you will see payment methods. Tap on it. Next, select P2P payment method and tap on add a payment method. Since I have not verified my account, I could not go any further, but once the verification is completed, you can add up the credit card details. This includes the credit card number, your security number, and other details. So once that is done, you have successfully added a payment method and credit card to Binance app. That's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.